Hey guys, and today welcome back to my video. This is Udam, my best friend. Oh, hi YouTube. So in today's video, I want to show you how to glitch in server. Everything that glitch is need to cook, such like this iron ore. So now let's go here. First thing, we need something that can cook a lot, like 64, like cobblestones. It can cook up to 64, but we need only 63 because it will full. So until that, wait. After that, let's take this out. So need to put one of the cooking stuff into the furnace, and when it finished cooking, and it will turn out to 25 iron, see? So that's how you glitch. And another way I will show you, but sometimes it won't work because it's upgrade. So now let's check with this wooden axe. So like that. It won't work because it's a high version, so it's not working. So spam touch, but sometimes it works, sometimes it won't work. It worked for like 7 of these that has the stock. Sometimes it works and sometimes it won't work. So I'd like you to learn the first glitch. It's easy. Spam touch. Yeah, it's easier. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Oh, someone down there. So let's come. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like. Up to 100 like, I will show another video of the best glitch ever to you again. So give me a like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you can work the glitch. And yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure you go to Udam's channel and subscribe to him too. His name is Udam290, and this server I will put in description for you to play on. So yes guys, thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye.